So believe in your abilities and don't second guess yourself. Don't think about what can happen in a month. Don't think about what can happen in a year. Just focus on the 24 hours that are in front of you and do what you can get closer to where you want to be.
You will walk away with new knowledge that will help you in this hot real estate market and take your business to the next level. You will also be able to network with real estate investors, vendors, and other professionals.
If you're thinking about getting into real estate or looking at ways to diversify your income,
a class that's taught in a way that has something for everyone, whether somebody's looking to build long-term wealth or whether it's somebody learning or wanting to learn how to make money off of fix and flips. All the bases are covered.
Clear about what he does. He is passionate about what he does, and what he is doing is real. His approach is from experience, not from a book or not from what if or not from anything else, but really from experience.
I think you should join Believe Investment because it will help you believe in yourself.
If real estate investing is something you've been thinking about, now's the time to jump in. Go check out our website at believeinvestmentgroup.com and ask us. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks a lot. If real estate investing is something you've been thinking about, now's the time to jump in. Go check out our website at believeinvestmentgroup.com and ask us. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Thanks a lot.